Hi there, welcome back to Alpha Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Zory marketing, which is basically a platform where you can create your Facebook and Google ads, right? We can see the headline is quite clear. They state that the future of advertising is here, so it implies that the software is about advertising. And here, more clearly explain that you can use this proven algorithm and machine learning to start getting high quality, ready to buy leads. If we scroll down, they state again that they are able to, create Facebook ads for you, Google ads, and even TikTok ads, right? Which is really helpful if you're looking for a platform that will allow you to create ads more efficiently. Okay, so um, here they go more in depth about how they've been able to help more than 400 other businesses thrive, and they also talked about how they've got a proven algorithm built out for your specific industry and more than $6 million of data which will automatically identify contact rates, estimate sales, and more to target and show your ads to those with similar personality traits. Okay. Now, they've got more stats here that you can look at, and here they say how you can go and read the Zory marketing reviews on G2 and Capterra. Now, what I would say is, yes, a prospect can just click on this page and just read it, but the problem is it would have been much more helpful to actually have those testimonials and reviews on the page. They could have simply copied and pasted them. It wouldn't have taken much more time, but it's a lot more powerful because unfortunately, what some businesses don't realize is that if uh, people click on this page, obviously they might not come back. Yes, you can take it, they might lose themselves, and then before you know it, they might close the browser and actually not to come back to your website. So that's the only thing. Okay, it would have been very uh, helpful to simply copy and paste this review and copy and paste it here. But anyway, they've also got a page at the bottom where you can book a Zoom call if you wanted to. Um, this is the end of the homepage. Potentially, they could have added a frequently asked questions section at the bottom to handle any objection that prospect might have had. And also, they could have added a contact form at the top to increase the number of opt-ins by providing some lead magnets or freebies or discounts, so just anything basically to encourage the prospect to provide their contact details. But other than that, I think this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. If you are a SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.